Hi guys! Welcome to my book review. Ngayon, i-review natin itong book na to. Let's review this book, A Sky Full of Stars by Danny Atkins. Since madaming mga nagre-request para alam daw nila kung maganda ba talaga, ganun. Pero I'm not going to spoil you. I'm not going to tell everything about this book. Para naman, at least, it's my thrill kapag magbabasa kayo, di ba? Kasi kayo baka kapag sabihin ko na lahat, hindi na kayo bumili ng book na to. Or hindi nyo nahihiramin kung papahiram ko man. Ganon. So this book by Danny Atkins, A Sky Full of Stars, feels like a conversation with someone who understands loss. Yes, loss kasi may mamamatay dito. Oh, may spoiler ng isa ha. Ayan, kasi may mamamatay dito at doon iikot yung story. Yes, doon iikot yung story at yun yung magpapaganda ng story. Kasi basta, kapag sabihin ko kasi yun yung pinaka-plot twist eh. Yung pinaka-plot twist at at the same time yun yung pinaka-masakit na part dito sa book na to. Pero, basta, basahin nyo na lang. I don't want to spoil you or I don't want to explain. Mas maganda kapag basahin niyo. So, it feels like a conversation with someone who understands loss, love, and the choices we don't get to change. Also guys, this book is emotional. Yes, nakakaiyak siya, but without trying too hard. So kung emotional siya, painful din siya. Yes, emotional, painful, but hopeful. It will also remind you that some love stories don't end the way we expect. Pero syempre, they still leave a mark that lasts forever. So if you like books na tearjerker, like books that make you cry, something like that, or yung feeling na pagkatapos mo basahin yung libro, mapapatulala ka na lang sa ceiling, tapos anong nangyari? Ganun. Parang ang hirap mag-move on. It feels like it feels like katatapos mo lang manood ng K-drama, ganun. So kung yung mga nanonood diyan ng K-drama, ganun din kapag nagbabasa tayo, sa parang matutulala ka na lang. Parang ang hirap mag-move on, ganun. Lalo na kapag very painful, very emotional yung librong nabasa mo. So ganun yung libro nito. Pero ang natutunan ko dito sa libro na to, despite sa mga pinagdaanan nila, meron pa rin yung hope. Yes, the story is still teaching us to be hopeful and to be faithful. So, ayun. So, kung gusto niyo ng mga ganong stories, this book is perfect for you. Yun lang guys. Bye!